As promised, I said I was going to do a more detailed review of the JX5 Vengeful-1. This was made by Bark River Knives, designed by Chris Tanner with Prepared Mind 101 on YouTube. Really advise you to check him out. So this is a nice chopper. It's about a little over a pound. It's got a 9-inch blade. It's made with CPM steel. It is really an awesome blade. It comes extremely sharp, micarta handle, and if you notice, it has 3 indentations here on the handle here. The first two, you hold that sucker like that, it's really good for batoning, chopping, and if you choke up, it's really good for doing some fine woodwork like feathering. Now, CPM steel is, for those that don't know, it's called Crucible particle metallurgy. The steel comes out of Syracuse, New York. It's totally made in the USA, and it's heat treated, so the hardness of this steel is amazing. It would take some major abuse to even do any damage to this blade. One of the cons is, though, it will not hold an edge as good as some other knives, but personally I don't mind sharpening knives. It can be corrosive because it's not stainless steel. Little gee whiz fact, anything over 11% chromium is considered stainless steel, and this is under 11%, so it could oxidize. So that just means you're going to have to take care of it, and you're going to have to do some oil it up every once in a while and take care of your blade. So we're going to do some basic batoning to show you how awesome this knife is. Wobbly here, but as you can see, there's no problem. There's a knot that I'm going through right here. And there's absolutely no damage to this at all. Even onto the sharp edge here, there is absolutely nothing. And it did really well, went right through that knot. This is really a dry piece of, looks like it might actually be elm or walnut, but you can choke up on that, and you can easily do some feathering if you had to and you were in a jam. Normally I would do this with a smaller blade, but the reason why I'm showing you this is that it is versatile and you can do quite a bit. So yeah, a lot of times I'll carry this in my packs, but it depends on where I'm going. But if you want to clear an area for your campsite, it's fantastic. I actually like this better than an X. So this is, again, the JX5 Vengeful-1. Designed by Chris Tanner, made by Bark River, and love this blade. Remember, keep your eyes on the horizon, your face to the wind, and stay safe, guys.